Here's how the U.S. Army is buying $1.4 million reconnaissance drones like Amazon packages. But the U.S. Army has taken a major step forward as the military attempts to innovate its unmanned aircraft systems programs to be more competitive on the 21st century battlefield. The UAS marketplace is a core component of the new drone dominance plan, which aims to procure over 1 million uncrewed platforms over the next 3 years. The marketplace launched in March with 30 different airframes and is scaling towards at least 70, with potential for even more. The Army's online drone shop was developed in partnership with Amazon Web Services and the Army Enterprise Cloud Management Agency. The online platform allows military units, federal agencies, and international allies to browse, evaluate, and purchase vetted devices. The digital storefront operates like a modern e-commerce platform. It is intended to give troops a rapid supply chain that can keep pace with the modern battlefield. The Army's Amazon for drones. The marketplace reportedly allows Army users to filter by cost, range, speed, payload capacity, and flight endurance to match their mission needs when shopping for a drone. Soldier feedback is included in the portal through a review system. All systems go through an onboarding process to ensure they perform as advertised. And modular integration is one of the highest priorities. In addition to verifying payload customizability, the Army also checks that every system complies with National Defense Authorization Act cybersecurity rules before a drone can be offered. As a central project under the Far-Reaching Drone Dominance Program, the Army has categorized the different systems by group to distinguish capability levels and mission applications. Group 1 and 2 drones are small, lightweight systems under 55 pounds, such as the AeroVironment RQ-11 Raven. Group 3 drones are expanding to include tactical UAS up to 1,320 pounds in the future. The portal includes a commercial solution opening that is available indefinitely for new companies to pitch products, allowing for continuous evolution as emerging threats evolve. The Army was inspired by rapid drone acquisition models seen in Ukraine that cut standard procurement times from years down to days or weeks. Another important part of the program is the counter-UAS marketplace that falls under the purview of Joint Interagency Task Force 401. This portal provides access to anti-drone equipment like radars, electronic warfare systems, and kinetic interceptors such as the MIROPS drone. The combination of the UAS and CUAS markets is intended to provide a comprehensive solution for every Army unit and coalition allies through foreign military sales the Army adapts to overcome. The Russian invasion of Ukraine, which began in 2022, has served as the impetus behind the Army's massive drone rearming. The devastation wrought on armored vehicles, infantry, parked aircraft, and even low-flying helicopters by inexpensive drones spotlights the outsized asymmetric power that they afford. Ukraine has a far smaller military, industrial base, and raw material reserve, and yet it has used innovation to withstand the onslaught of the Russian Federation's armed forces against all odds. By virtue of the decades-long Cold War arms race between the United States and the Soviet Union, the Russian military is a close analog to the United States Armed Forces. Since Russia emerged from the collapse of its former socialist government, it has inherited leftover military equipment and made some improvements. Its military is not as significant as the U.S. Still, the clear disparity in performance between Ukrainian drones that cost tens of thousands of dollars and multi-million-dollar weapons platforms fielded by Russia provided a clear warning to the Pentagon.